Hello. If you have a frog kit at home, you're going to follow along with me, and we're going to make this sock puppet into a frog.
Oh, that sounds good. Wow.
Yes, we will make you into a frog. And things that reminded us of frogs are long curly tongues. So we may just give him a nice long curly tongue and maybe some nice brown warts. That'll help make him a frog.
Oh, that sounds good.
So now we're going to put a tongue into our sock puppet. And you can make the tongue curly to curl around by just going like this. And then the tongue could be a curly Q tongue, like that. Or another way to do it, if you want a different sort of curl, is you get a pencil and you just wrap the pipe cleaner around the pencil, pull it off, and I think I'm going to make my tongue like this. You put a bit of glue on the bottom of the tongue, just like that, and put the tongue into the base of the mouth and just hold it there for a few seconds while it dries. Actually, it might be more like a few minutes to let that to dry completely. Now it's time to add some warts to our frog. I wanted to let you know that you can actually add anything you want to this frog. You could give this frog a nose, you could give this frog hair, a hat. Just use your imagination. You can add whatever you like to this frog, but I'm going to just keep my frog simple. It'll have a tongue, eyeballs, and then some warts. And I am just going to cut warts out of this felt. And now I'm just going to let my frog rest over here and dry. Now that your frog puppet is all completed and dried, I'm going to show you how to put your frog puppet on. You're going to put your hand into your puppet, your forefingers will be on the top of the mouth, and your thumb will be on the bottom to move the jaw. So you're going to put the sock on like this, and then you pull the sock the whole way on. Make sure the mouth is on there nicely. Your forefingers are on the top, and the thumb is in the bottom of the jaw.
Ribbit, ribbit. I am a fabulous purple frog. Hi there.
So enjoy your puppet.